Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And tonight's topic is gratitude. How gratitude can help you with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet and really enhance you as a human being. Let's talk about one thing before. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button below this video. I truly appreciate you doing that. I would be honored for you to follow me. Thank you so very much. You know, embracing a ketogenic lifestyle and diet can be a life-changing decision, helping you achieve your health and weight loss goals and ultimately leading to a feeling of greater energy and well-being. However, committing to the changes and challenges that come with this lifestyle can sometimes be difficult, especially over the long term. This is where the power of gratitude comes into play. Daily gratitude practice can help you stay motivated and positive, leading to better adherence to your eating habits and greater enjoyment of your healthy lifestyle. In this video post, I will talk about why cultivating gratitude is so very vital and important, especially for those on the keto journey, and how you can get started immediately. Number one, let's try to understand the power of gratitude. Scientifically, cultivating gratitude has been linked to many positive benefits, including improvements to mental health, better physical health, more optimism, and increased feelings of connectedness and social support. One reason for this is that gratitude helps us focus on the good things in our lives, which helps us shift our attention away from the negative thoughts and emotions. Essentially, gratitude can help you stay motivated and feel happier, even on challenging days. Number two, benefits of gratitude for keto dieters. Well, as someone who is following a ketogenic diet, there are many reasons to embrace gratitude as your daily practice. For one, it can help you stay focused on your goals and success rather than focusing on what you can't have. Additionally, gratitude can help you avoid burnout and avoid negative thoughts about your diet. Number three, how to start cultivating gratitude. Well, I would say do it daily. Starting a daily gratitude practice is simple and easy and can be done in many different ways. One of the most effective techniques is to write down a few things each day that you are grateful for. This could be something as simple as, I'm grateful for the sunshine today. I'm grateful for having a supportive friend. I try to focus on things that make you smile or bring you joy. For me, I'm grateful to get up in the morning and open up my baby blues. Number four, incorporate gratitude into your life. While daily gratitude journaling is a great way to start, there are many other ways to incorporate gratitude into your life. For example, you can practice gratitude meditation where you focus on feeling grateful for things in your life, or try giving thanks silently for everything you encounter during your day. Number five, tips for staying consistent with gratitude. Finally, if you want to truly reap the benefits of a gratitude practice, it's important to stay consistent. One way to do this is to make it a habit by setting aside a specific time each and every day to jot down things you're grateful for, or simply to give thanks quietly. You can also recruit a gratitude partner, someone who can keep you accountable and share in your daily reflections. Now, in conclusion, Overall, cultivating gratitude is a very essential tool for anyone on a keto journey and lifestyle. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and choices, you can stay motivated, avoid negative thoughts, and enjoy greater health and happiness. Try to make gratitude a daily part of your life, and you'll be amazed at the benefits you will see unfold over time. So there you go. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below this video. I appreciate you watching. I also appreciate you subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'd be very honored to have you as part of our community. Again, Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope each and every one of you are doing fantastic, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.